Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. My name is Zishan Ali Jagirani, roll number 2K18 LCS 45. Today my topic is Introduction to Database. Introduction of MySQL. MySQL is an SQL structure query language based relational database management system DBMS. MySQL is compatible with the standard SQL. MySQL is frequently used by PHP and Perl. Commercial version of MySQL is also provided, including technical support. Part 1 SQL used for data definition allows the specification of not only a set of relations but also information about each relation, including the schema for each relation, the domain of values associated with each attribute, integrity constraints. Create database. An SQL relation is defined using the create database command. Create database name. Example: create database my database. Create table. An SQL relation is defined by using a create table command. Create table in square table name a, in taken bracket A1 T1 A2 T2 to an Tn and so on. Integral constant k. Each a is an attribute name in the table. Each ti is the data type of value ai. Example: create table student. Flashline id chart 9 not null. Name varchar 30. Age integer. Department varchar 20. Primary key uh, flashed id integrity constant. Drop and alert table. The drop table command deletes all the information about the dropped relation from the database. The alert table command is used to add attributes to, to or remove attributes from an existing relation table. Alter table name actions, where actions can be one of the following actions: add attribute, drop attribute, and primary key attribute name, drop primary key. Insertion: add a new tuple student, insert into student values 9, 9 Mike 18 computer science. Or equivalency: insert into student flation id name age department values like 999 Mike 18 computer science. Add a new tuple of a student with age set to null. Insert into student values 9999 Mike null computer science. Update: set all department to computer science. Update student. Set department computer science. In table account number, balance, branch name, branch city. Increase the balance of all account by 6%. Update account. Set balance $1.06. Deletion: delete records of all students in university. Delete from student. Delete the students who study computer science. Delete from student where department computer science. Thank you so much.